Okay, now you guys are already familiar with what happens when you move data from one area to another in Microsoft Excel. For example, here I have a list of names. Names in column B, names in column D, there they are there. And if I'm going to move these names, let's say I had to include these names inside this list, but they had to be in a certain position. You could easily just cut and paste, or copy and paste, or you could click and drag. But the problem is when you drag it, I'm just using my mouse button to drag, it then overwrites those names, which is what we don't want to happen. Let's undo that. So here is a super cool way to move this into here and save yourself some time. Select the range that you need to copy or move across, hold down your shift key, and then put your mouse on the edge or any of the edges where it changes to the move icon, and watch. As I'm holding down my shift key, do you see what it's doing? Check that out. And let's pop it right in the middle, release, nothing gets overwritten. I'll show that to you again. Select the range that you want to move, hold down your shift key, move to the edge of your range where it changes to the move icon, click and drag it, and you'll see it's a different indicator. Let's pop it at the top there. Voila.